Hi everybody and welcome! Today we will be talking about accidents of expensive cars. Accidents like action movies and dramatic, eye-catching scenes. In the end, you know it will cost a lot of money. The beginning is with a super fast car with super fast speed. Driving too fast makes the driver unable to control his speed. He crashes into two other cars on the road. Debris has flown everywhere, and the car is badly damaged. Wow. Idiots in cars. A crashed supercar was pulled up by the SUV. Its shell was not intact. Do you think it's still okay to sell it to the scrapyard? Ooh, flying car. If you find moving on the road is not very fun, let's fly to try this new strange feeling. Wow. A scene of a car accident on the film set. Wow. The car was set to fly and then land in an area full of card boxes. Nicely done. This car is trying to change lanes, causing the fast-moving supercar to react badly. The lightning fast speed of this car has rammed into all of the obstacles in front of it. This luxury car has overtaken very quickly, causing the cars to cross the road and hit it suddenly. Ooh. This accident here has caused the car to become inoperable. Bad drivers have damaged 2 supercars. You know, in life we should give up easily, but in this case, the driver should have stopped the car and just called for help. You're not going anywhere. This car that is passing recklessly has to pay the price. On a busy road, the car is passing at a high speed. The car seems to be stable when the collision phase was light, but it wasn't. We have new disaster everywhere. This is a garage filled with the smell of money. Perhaps the owners of these supercars are a little worried about their flooded vehicles. I think I would be. The man has panicked when he saw smoke coming from his car. The fire has flared up, but luckily the problem is being fixed. Now that's a super badly damaged car. Oh God. When you are passionate about speed, but you can't control it, and your car friend has ruined his own passion. Sorry, bro. Take this car for an example. Or this car. Yeah. That's a shame. Ooh. This car was hit so hard from behind, it flew straight up onto the roof of the BMW. Ooh. How? The race crashes while traveling at high speeds. The car has lost control and he's hit the side of a power pole on the road. Wow. Expensive cars are lining up for a demolition excavator. Oh no, not the dream of many people, hey? Crush, crush, crush. Oh. Even supercars can't escape the police chase. With the behavior of this police, perhaps the people in the car are particularly dangerous criminals. Two supercars are starting at the same intersection with traffic lights. Wow, that was close. A dangerous car has moved at unstoppable speeds. This supercar was motionless with debris all around. The whole car is damaged badly. Ooh. Tried to pass that cow. Nope. Thank you everyone for your interest in watching our videos. Remember to like, subscribe to our channel, and press that notification bell to receive the earliest videos. Thank you and bye-bye.